Hey guys, Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans. I got another product highlight for you, and that is our bed step. We've been making this bed step for over 3 years now for the Winnebago Revel, and a lot of people have a hard time, especially with bed risers, climbing up and getting into bed. So we created and designed a bed step that gets bolted down to the frame and literally just locks into place. So now when I want to climb into bed, I have a step that I can get up here really easy. Super safe. It's the same thing the middle of the night. I got to go to the restroom. I slide out. I can put my foot on here and it just assists me in getting in and out of the bed. So it's a real must. When you're not using it, you just push down and it locks into place, and that's it. So very simple add-on for your Winnebago Revel. It makes getting out of bed and getting in bed and getting out of bed a lot easier. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. All the links will be in the video of this product line, including installation as well, our website, how to contact us at the office, and stay tuned. We'll continue to make content for you guys to help educate you before you make purchases for upfitting your Winnebago Revels. See you on the next video.